This plant is an alluvial gold ore processing plant. The capacity for this plant can be customized as per request, such as 50 TPH, 100 TPH, 200 TPH, etc. For example, this plant processing capacity is 120 TPH. Raw material is alluvial gold with much sticky clay. The max raw ore feeding size is around 200 mm. The concentrate gold size is 0 to 6 mm. The details process as below. 1. The plant starts from a vibration feeder. The feeder generally will match with a grizzly bar, the grizzly gap designed with 100 mm. The larger than 100 mm materials will be sent away by a belt conveyor. 2. The less than 100 mm materials will go to the trommel scrubber to wash away the sticky clay. If there's not too much sticky clay in your mine site, then using a trommel screen will be okay. The trommel scrubber will match with 1-layer PU screen, mesh screen hole with 20 mm. With 1-layer screen, it can sieve out 2 products, 20 to 10 mm and amp, 0 to 20 mm. 3. 20 to 100 mm is waste stone and will be sent away by a conveyor belt. The 0 to 20 mm part goes to the next high-frequency vibrating screen for further washing and screening. Vibrating screen with a 6 mm screen aperture, so 6 to 20 mm waste gravel will be sent away by a belt conveyor. 0 to 6 mm slurry goes to a mixing tank, for better feeding to slurry into the next gold centrifugal concentrator evenly. 4. Then the slurry will go to the centrifugal concentrator by slurry pumps to collect the concentrated gold first. 5. After processing by the centrifugal concentrator, you can select some obvious big-size gold and then you can send the left concentrate to the shaking table to process and get the final concentrate gold. 6. The tailings from the centrifuge will go to the sluice box to process and gather the gold in the tailings as much as possible. 7. Finally, you can use a gold amalgamator, distiller, and gold melting furnace to purify the concentrated gold and get the gold bar.